What exactly is ChatGPT? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT is a chatbot and virtual assistant developed by OpenAI and launched in 2022. Based on large language models, it enables users to refine and steer a conversation towards a desired length, format, style, level of detail, and language. In other words, you can ask it any question, kind of like Magic 8 Ball, but much, much more sophisticated, and it will give you an extremely detailed response on coding, research, app building, history, math, science, engineering, school studies, or literally just about anything you ask it. It's best to type out your request beforehand, check your spelling, and be specific and detailed in your request. Let's try it out with some simple projects. As with any of the AI technologies, for the best results, it's always better to edit the output and give it your own voice by adding a bit of your own language style, humor, and personal input details.
We're going to go to ChatGPT. And there it is. And start now. I have pre-typed my instructions on a notepad because that way I can check my spelling first and make sure that it says all of the things that I want to say in detail before I feed it into the script. So let me go and get that from the notepad. And the first one I'm going to select is a recipe book. These are instructions that I pre-typed out where I asked for recipes, 5 excellent soul food recipes that are low in fat, and ask it to give me the recipes with the ingredients underneath the title of the recipe and cooking instructions. And there it is. So it looks like it's giving me 1, 2. Yep. So it's giving me 5 instructions with the ingredients listed underneath and cooking instructions. I'm going to copy that and open Word and paste that to a Word document. And then save it as cookbook. Paste. There we go. And then that way, I can go back and grab that text to use for my book or any kind of presentation that I'm doing. So I'm going to save that. I think I'm just going to save it in my download folder for now. That way I can go back and get it and add it to the project file of my choosing. And I don't know where it is. Okay, let's minimize that and let's do another one. The next one we'll do is for Auto World. This is one where I asked it to give me a short essay on why it's important to keep your automobile in tip-top condition. And I asked for 10 tips to keep your car running smoothly. So let's paste that in and then generate. And there it is. That's a short essay on the importance of keeping your automobile in tip-top condition, and then it goes to the 10 essential maintenance tips for your car. I'm going to copy that and do the same by going to Word, get a new document, and paste that information into Word and save it as Auto Care. Save in the download where the other one is, and I'll just save this one as Auto Care. I can always go back and grab these and put them in the proper project folders. Minimize, and let's do one last one. I'm going to get household hacks. 20 popular household tips and tricks using products that you already have around the house. So let's paste that in there and then hit generate. And there we go. The great thing about this is that you can literally ask it anything. You can ask it to give you coding for a video game or an app. You can ask it about engineering or architecture or religion or history or science or math. You can literally ask it anything and carry on a conversation where it will respond to whatever you ask. You can ask it to fact check something or give you more information on the specifics of something. I have found this to be extremely useful on any number of projects that I have worked on. But try it out, take it for a test drive, and see what you think.
There are a wide variety of great AI image generators, as well as text generators. Explore and choose the ones that best suit your projects. Many are completely free with no sign-up, and some of the higher-end applications will charge a monthly or annual fee. The great thing is that you can always cancel at any time. If you do sign up for a pay application, be sure to read all the information and restrictions carefully. Now watch this. I combine the tool ChatGPT with the AI image generator, perchance.org, to create the cover and graphics for my project. For this video, in addition to my own voice, I have used voice over text-to-speech from 11 Labs AI speech synthesis. In a previous video on this channel, I demonstrated an image generator called perchance.org. These are images I generated and saved to use for two of the projects in this video, the cookbook and the AutoCare blog or video. The first images are images generated for the cookbook cover. I can take these into Photoshop and fancy them up, change or alter them, and add my own text and book cover information. Using perchance.org, for the sake of example, I requested 3 different book cover designs: a soul food cookbook with an African motif as you can see here, a Mexican food cookbook cover with a Mexican or Southwest motif, and an Italian cuisine cookbook cover. For the AutoCare book, blog, or video, I generated images for a cover, as well as other images to use throughout the book or presentation. Again, I can take these images into any graphic enhancement software like Photoshop or Canva and alter them as I like. In this video, I have combined a few simple AI implements to create content for my project. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.